Alright guys, this is going to be an install video for an SSD drive into an Alien Aurora R4. A couple things to note. They're obviously not going to fit by themselves. These are toolless chassis, so everything slides in and out without tools. So you will need an SSD cage. I picked up this. It is the what is it? IC Pro? IC Dock? Yeah, IC Dock 2.5 to 3.5 SSD and SATA hard drive converter. And there's the model number if you guys are looking for it. I don't think it's going to focus on it. I'll put it in the description. These things are really super awesome and easy to install. These cages are also toolless. So let me go ahead and pull out the SSD drive as well. I'll make sure I don't show you my Assassin's Creed 3 code. Alright, so there's the hard drive. So for the SSD drive, here's the connector in the back. So all you're going to do is pull back, pull up. It should stay up on its own. It does come with screws in case you're installing this on a in a drive bay that is on rails that you need to screw it into. Okay, so all you do is take out the SSD drive, locate the back. Man, these things are super light. So here's the back, and then let's see if I can get a correct angle in on this. You're gonna put the SSD drive in. It should lay flat like that. Everything's fine, everything's snug. And you'll notice in the back here there's a little push bar, and so as I close this you'll see that it automatically connects it. So push it nice and closed, push back, and you have a caged SSD drive. Pretty sweet, huh? I haven't even turned on my R4 yet. First thing I'm doing is putting this SSD in. So to remove the existing hard drive in any one of these bays, they have a diagram right here to show you in which order that you need to install drives. So this is your master, and then this is your slave to the master, and then these are all slaves. So to remove, there's two white things on the side that you push in. It'll click. You slide it out. Set it down gingerly. No, I'm just kidding. Grab your new one. Yeah, battery's low. Locate the back. So here's the back. This is going to go right in. And if everything works, should magically, slip right in. So there you go, guys. SSD drive installed in an Alien Aurora R4. I used the IC Dock 2.5 to 3.5 converter. $20. Super, super awesome. That's it. Now it's time to install Windows 7. The disk that it came with, I decided not to get Windows 8. Don't have a touch screen. Didn't really think I would like it all that much. Anyways, guys, more videos to come soon. Thanks for watching.